These practices are so powerful, whether it's yoga, whether it's breath work, whether it's Reiki, whether it's Qigong, they are all leading you to the same path of coming home to yourself. All these practices, they all use the same principle of life force. Life force it's a concept in philosophical and healing traditions, which refers to the energy that permeates all existence. What are you doing with meditation? You're slowing the mind down, right?
हमें बताया गया कि ये रिलीजन्स भी बहुत डिफरेंट है एक दूसरे से सब इसी चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं कि द वर्ल्ड नीड्स मोर लव, बी काइंड टू अदर पीपल, और फिर जो ये प्रैक्टिसेस हैं वहीं से निकली different religions से या different concepts से.
I believe we have the power to create, to affect change. We cannot change anything. Things are happening. How we respond to those changes is what can alchemize.
तो इस पॉडकास्ट के ऊपर ऐसे इंटरेस्टिंग लोग आए हैं जिनसे मिलके मुझे थोड़ा सा जो है ना वो एक अच्छा फील होता है आपको ना eventually के यार.
I'm sure many times in your life people must have criticized what you're doing or what you're saying, and how many times have you reacted and how many times have you responded?
एक माँ अपने बच्चे को बहुत अच्छे तरीके से ट्रीट करती है, उसको सब कुछ देती है. इन दी एंड होता क्या है, वो जो बेटा है कुछ भी नहीं करता, पड़ा रहता है, यूजलेस हो जाता है, तो वो तो उसका नुकसान ही हो गया ना, फायदा तो कोई ना हुआ. तो वो भी एक ट्रॉमा ही है, वो भी एक किस्म की गलत चीज ही है ना जो उसके साथ हुई. मैंने जब से लाइट लेना शुरू किया, जस्ट फॉर 10 मिनट्स ग्राउंडिंग करना, जूते उतार के बाय वॉक करता हूँ और 10 मिनट लाइट लेता हूँ, कंप्लीट चेंज इन एनर्जी थ्रू आउट द डे. इतनी छोटी सी चीज से बाहर जाना है, वॉक करना है थोड़ा सा, लेकिन नहीं करना. हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ बिकम अ सुपर ह्यूमन. हम इस पॉडकास्ट के अंदर डिफरेंट टेक्निक्स, स्किल्स के बारे में बात करते हैं, जिस तरीके से आप अपनी लाइफ को इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं. आज हम बात करेंगे मेरा फेवरेट टॉपिक, मेडिटेशन, रेकी, ब्रेथ वर्क, शीगोंग. और आज हमारे साथ जो गेस्ट हैं उनका नाम है फिजा चौधरी. हाउ आर यू? यू आर एन एक्सपर्ट एट ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स. कैसी हैं आप? ठीक ठाक हैं? वेलकम टू द शो.
Thank you so much.
अच्छा, हम पहला जो हम क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे इनसे वो है, हाउ डिड यू कम इनटू ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स, मेडिटेशन, शीगोंग, ब्रेथ वर्क?
Why did I start?
कौन सा एक मोमेंट, हमेशा एक जिंदगी में एक मोमेंट होता है ना, एग्जैक्टली जिसके अंदर यू फील लाइक दीज थिंग्स माइट हेल्प यू इन योर लाइफ इन व्हाटएवर वे यू आर थिंकिंग दैट इट विल हेल्प यू. तो कौन सा वो मोमेंट था जिंदगी में which
The
brought you
moment,
towards
you see,
these
there are two
things?
moments, huh? One was a moment in which I realized that this makes me feel really good doing these practices.
Okay.
And that was when I was in my early 20s and I was working in a corporate job. I was running businesses. It was very stressful. It was in Karachi and I used to be stressed all the time. And I went to my first yoga class and with a teacher, with a private teacher, and I felt really good after it. And I realized, wow, I want to do this every day, But then I didn't become a teacher for at least 15 years after that. So the second hook was when I went through an actual mental, emotional, and a physical breakdown. I went through a complete breakdown. I became nothing. And then I became a teacher because that was it. That was the point where I'm like, I am the only person who can help myself. And these practices are so powerful. Whether it's yoga, whether it's breath work, whether it's Reiki, whether it's Qigong, they are all leading you to the same path of coming home to yourself. So, yeah, those were my defining moments, Yeah.
मैंने अपने एक्सपीरियंस के हिसाब से भी ये चीज़ देखी है, ज़्यादातर लोगों की ज़िंदगी में जब वो ब्रेकिंग पॉइंट आता है, एक ऐसा पॉइंट जब हम कंप्लीटली लॉस्ट हो जाते हैं एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग, राइट? कोई हेल्प नहीं है, वो जो प्रीवियस पैटर्न्स अपनी ज़िंदगी के होते हैं वो रिपेरेटिव जब हो जाते हैं और उसका फ़ायदा हमें नज़र नहीं आ रहा होता, वी आर नॉट गोइंग इन टू एनी डायरेक्शन, राइट? जब भी हमें फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्ट्रेस हो रही है, एंग्जाइटी हो रही है, या कोई ज़िंदगी में मुश्किल मोमेंट आता है, तो हम जिन चीज़ों के ऊपर रिलाई कर रहे होते हैं फॉर आवर एंटायर लाइफ, दोज थिंग्स आर नॉट रियली वर्किंग फॉर अस, राइट? तो
Agreed,
फिर उस पॉइंट पे मुझे लगता है कि एक वो टिपिंग पॉइंट आता है जहाँ पे हमें लगता है कि यार अब हमें कुछ और करके देखना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल.
और मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली वो जब हम कुछ करेंगे तो शायद उसके बाद हमें बेहतर फीलिंग आना शुरू होगी.
Or you remember, there's something happens. When you're reaching that breaking point, when you're reaching that point when you have nothing to lose, something happens in your body. Your body remembers an ancient wisdom because we're connected to it. Remember, we are not just individual, singular beings, akele reh rahe hain, akele ji rahe hain, aise aa rahe hain. We are all connected through time and space.
Absolutely, yeah.
And through nervous systems. So it doesn't matter. Time is also a very linear. It's a concept which actually is, time is not linear, And I think our cells, जो हमारी body की cells होती हैं, they remember ancient wisdoms.
Yeah.
If we choose to remember it.
Uh-huh.
ये भी एक चीज़ है. So it's a remembrance, you know. Remembrance that we know what's good for us. So those patterns which are created
Very
by the
true.
mind, आपने बड़ी अच्छी तरीके से बोला कि those patterns that don't serve us anymore and you want to do something different. Because you're completely on the ground, you're broken, कोई नहीं है यहाँ पर. What do? So you go back to something that's intrinsic in you, you know? आपको याद आता है. और वो जो याददाश्त है, और I guess that remembrance is also, it's a wisdom. You know? And then you're like, okay, I know what to do. Intuition. What is intuition, you know?
और वैसे भी जब आप ये चीजें कर रहे होते हैं उसके बाद जो फीलिंग आती है ना आपको, फॉर एग्जाम्पल
course.
व्हेनेवर आई मेडिटेट, राइट,
Right, हाँ.
तो उसके बाद जो एक फीलिंग, वो अंदर से एक फीलिंग आ रही है, राइट, तो वो
Okay,
फीलिंग इतनी पॉजिटिव होती है और वो इतने मजे की होती है, वो इतनी अच्छी फीलिंग होती है, यू नो यू आर डूइंग समथिंग राइट,
बिल्कुल.
एंड
The
दिस इज द
endorphins.
डायरेक्शन यू नीड टू गो इनटू, राइट.
The dopamine, the endorphins.
हम
That's
लोग
your
अलग
body's-
डायरेक्शन में जा रहे हैं.
Yeah,
कोई
yeah.
ड्रग अब्यूज कर रहा है, कोई अपना डोपामिन किक लेने के लिए अल्कोहल पी रहा होगा,
Cheap dopamine.
सिगरेट पी रहा होगा,
Dopamine, yeah.
आई डोंट नो, रिलेशनशिप्स में जा रहा होगा, किसी का क्या हुक है हमें नहीं पता, लेकिन हर एक का डिफरेंट हुक होता है, एंड वी ट्राई टू मेक आवरसेल्व्स फील बेटर थ्रू दीज मीन्स.
Right.
लेकिन इवेंचुअली वही वाली बात है कि वी फाइंड आउट कि सोल्यूशन यहाँ पे नहीं है, सोल्यूशन कहीं और पे है, राइट.
Trial and error है ना, हम सारे इंसान हैं. We're all, no one's perfect. And we're just working through it. We've all made the same mistakes.
Yeah.
You know, as a yoga teacher, I have had so many experiences. I've made so many, made so many decisions that have not served me, you know. So I think it's all trial and error. You learn. And then you choose. We choose every day how we want to show up for ourselves, you know.
But good on you कि आपने decision लिया ना to change your life, right?
It wasn't
to go
easy.
into this direction.
It wasn't easy. I'll be
I'm
very
sure.
honest with you. I've been teaching for 10 years and
अच्छा, माशाल्लाह, that's a
And-
long time.
it feels very short. I'm still
10 साल is a lot of time. That's a lot of time.
I still feel like a baby in the teaching world. There's so much to learn. लेकिन when I started teaching, I still remember not completely feeling like I am a teacher. Yet this is more recent. In the last 5 years, then I'm like, I am a yoga, breathwork teacher. You know, वो एक acceptance जो आई है. So the embodiment for a teacher, the realization that yes, I am here to teach and guide myself first, and then others who wish to learn, is more recent. I would say in the last 5 years, you know. And like you said, I made a decision, you know. There were many things I wanted to do. I was running businesses. I was
अच्छा, what kind of business, by the way?
a logistics business.
अच्छा,
Yeah,
family business कि अपना business?
It was a family business.
Okay.
I was very young. I was about 20 when my father passed away suddenly.
I'm sorry to hear that. Okay.
Thank you. It was a long time ago, but you know, his death taught me that he taught me that things are temporary and we need to live and be here for ourselves and show up every day. So, you know, I'm very grateful for that lesson. But yeah, so I was running his businesses and then we sold those. I sold those because, you know, it got also like a bit boring and repetitive. Then I studied many things. I did my master's in various things.
Masters in?
I studied conflict resolution and mediation.
अच्छा,
I was
interesting.
In my undergrad, I was studying I wanted to go into politics.
Okay.
I was studying government, but that's another life.
ठीक है.
I'm just giving you an example of
ठीक
the
है.
many lives, you know, that I seem to have lived in this one. And yoga seems to be the most, not yoga itself. Yoga to मैं एक लफ्ज़ use कर रही हूँ ना. All these practices, whether it's Qigong, whether it's Reiki, whether it's yoga, you know, they all use the same principle of life force. Life force. What is life force, you know?
What is life force?
Chi. Ki, आपने सुना होगा chi. What is chi? The chi in Qigong, the ki in Reiki. It's all the same thing.
Okay.
Prana and yoga. Life force is, it's a concept in philosophical and healing traditions, which refers to the energy that permeates all existence.
ठीक है.
It is the thread that runs through all existence.
Okay.
Whether it's, you know, in the universe. It's a universal phenomenon. And
What do you, can you explain that further? थोड़ा सा elaborate करना है इस point को. ये
it's
जो
a
एक
very
thread
subtle,
है,
yeah, it's a
which-
subtle force that connects us all to everything.
Okay.
You know?
एंड डू यू थिंक जो कॉन्शियसनेस है
हाँ जी.
वो भी हम सारे शेयर करते हैं, वो एक ही कॉन्शियसनेस है जो हम सारे शेयर करते हैं?
There's definitely a collective. एक collective है. We do have individual consciousness too because we are in these bodies.
Okay.
अगर आप इस जिस्म को देखें तो it's confined, right? Look at the physicality of our body.
ओके.
So we have our own individual consciousness, but it's all connected non-physically to a universal consciousness. You know, the source. You can call it whatever you want. You know, you can call it the source, you can call it divine, you can call it Allah. You can call it in any tradition. You choose to call it whatever you want. You know?
सो वी आर ऑल कनेक्टेड,
Of course.
ऑल
This is what I
ह्यूमन
feel
तो इतनी ज्यादा हेट्रेड क्यों है फिर?
in the world.
इतनी ज्यादा एनवी क्यों है, जेलसी क्यों है, ईगो क्यों है, एक दूसरे को मारना क्यों है, वॉर
It's a
क्यों
great
है?
question. I think we're heading towards the right direction in this podcast. We're talking about the right things. Kyun hai? If you ask me, I think it's because we're running away from ourselves. We're so terrified to see ourselves in our full truth, in our full power, that we look to separate ourselves from everything. It's a very daunting thing to feel like you are capable of so much, or you can do so much, or you have the potential to hold universal consciousness inside you. It's a big thing. It's not easy. The path of spirituality is one of the most difficult ones to lead. It's a path of taking complete responsibility for every cell, every breath, every decision, every choice of yours. इस वाले पाथ के ऊपर कोई विक्टिम नहीं है, कोई अग्रेसर नहीं है, कोई विलन नहीं है, कोई हीरो नहीं है. It's a very anti-climactic path, but it's a very true path. और किसको
विदाउट
blame
ड्रामा
करेंगे?
है.
Zero drama, ना? I
और
mean,
मुझे
there's
लगता है ये चीज हमें स्केयर करती है कि ड्रामा क्यों नहीं है,
हाँ,
बिकॉज
अच्छा.
देयर इज नो एक्साइटमेंट विदाउट नो
Absolutely.
ड्रामा, राइट?
Now-
सो वी वांट ड्रामा इन आवर
Absolutely.
लाइव्स.
But you know, this is great that you said this because it brings me to the point as to what we're trying to do with all these practices, especially the one that you mentioned, meditation. What are you doing with meditation? You're slowing the mind down, right? The mind. The mind is made up of thoughts. And it's the monkey mind for a reason, you know. It's always scrambling for relevance. The mind is also what helped us evolve, you know, the cognitive, you know, like we evolved, man made fire, it survived, you know. I mean, look at us millions of years ago. I know that's a matter of debate in obviously with religion and, you know, I guess modern thought, but the point is the mind always struggles for relevance. And all these practices are about reducing the drama. तो जब ड्रामा रिड्यूस हो रहा होता है आपकी जिंदगी में and you're coming back to your body, the mind starts to go crazy. Drama-free existence is not possible because we're humans living in societies. You know, we're constantly creating drama. But, you know, existence is not human-centric. It's nature-centric. और हम लोग ये चीज़ भूल जाते हैं. We forget this. We are not, the sun does not shine from our ass. Okay? No, it doesn't. We're not the center of the universe. We are a part of it. And everything that moves around us, with us, for us, it's also we're working with it, right? But here we are as humans ruling the planet. One planet, by the way. एक है planet. Are we ruling the universe? No. We are at the mercy of the universe. Here we are, sitting on earth, acting like kings. Okay, we are
और ट्राइंग टू बी किंग्स. हर कोई
a pathetic attempt at being
एफर्ट
kings.
के अंदर है ना,
Absolutely.
कांस्टेंट एफर्ट.
Life is not human-centric. Here we are destroying the planet, you know. But nature has a way of finding its way back. So, you know, I think we need to understand. And spirituality, you know, spirituality outside of the folds of just any one religion, it's universal. It's about taking responsibility, connecting with consciousness, which is not just human consciousness, it's all consciousness. You think the plants don't have consciousness? You think the earth doesn't? Do you think the planets don't? Everything has a consciousness. It has a magnetic field. Everything has a magnetic field. And this brings us back to prana or chi or life force that permeates through every existence, right? Through everything. It's like the thread that connects us all, you know?
तो एक जो कॉन्सेप्ट है नॉन ड्यूअलिटी का, व्हाट इज दैट ऑल अबाउट?
Non-duality, I mean, the word says it all, doesn't it? Duality means sides, right? Or different aspects of something. And I think non-duality is more about unity, consciousness, you know?
So what I was बड़ा मुश्किल था मेरे लिए अंडरस्टैंड करना. I tried a lot, लेकिन बेसिकली we're a part of this world, right? तो everyone is, वही बात है कि we're all connected and we're all one basically with everything.
Right. We are.
With everything,
Yes.
right?
Yes, we are.
तो ये वाला concept, this is what non-duality is, because I was very confused about it.
Confused and
और
yet
बहुत सारे रिलीजन्स इस बारे में बात करते हैं. चाइनीज का इसका एलिमेंट अलग है, फिर सूफीइज्म का अलग है, which talks about non-duality. then हिंदुइज्म का अलग है, जो which is connected with yoga and all. तो most of these religions use the, उसमें कुछ पढ़ा था, मेरे दिमाग से words निकल गए हैं, तो more or less same concept के ऊपर ही सारे religions भी बात कर रहे
of
हैं.
course, yeah.
Which is very interesting if you think about it. हमें बताया गया कि ये religions भी बहुत different है एक दूसरे से,
No, it's
लेकिन
all coming, yeah.
सब इसी चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं कि the world needs more love, be kind to other people,
Yeah.
we're all connected, इस तरह की बातें
Yeah.
basically. और फिर जो ये practices हैं जिसके बारे में आप बात करें, जो आप पढ़ाती हैं, वो practices वहीं से निकली, different religion से या different concept से, spirituality वाले concept से. सूफीइज्म ने बोला ये करो, चाइनीज बोलते हैं ये टेक्निक्स यूज करो, फिर हिंदुइज्म बोलता है ये टेक्निक्स यूज करो. अब मॉडर्न जो विजडम है या तो मॉडर्न मेडिटेशन है, इसके कुछ गुरुज हैं जिस तरह डॉक्टर सैम हैरिस हैं, वो एक अपने कॉन्सेप्ट के थ्रू मेडिटेशन करा रहे हैं जहाँ पे वो कह रहे हैं कि फ्री विल भी एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती फॉर एग्जाम्पल ह्यूमंस के अंदर. तो इतने ज्यादा कॉन्सेप्ट्स हैं, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि सब कुछ सेम बेस के ऊपर ही जाके कनेक्ट कर रहा होता है,
It's all
राइट?
connecting to the same.
What do you think about free will, by the way? Do you think we have free will as human beings or we don't?
I believe we have the power to create, to affect change. We cannot change anything. Things are happening. How we respond to those changes is what can alchemize. Alchemy to hoti hai na, when two things merge, and I think things are happening. It's not like you're a butt ban ke bed job as later life will happen no matter what. No. It's our response to it. How do we respond to things? Things are happening. Things are going to happen out of our control. We will come into this world and we will die. That is the truth. Things will happen. Wars will happen. Catastrophes will happen. Nature will happen, and the way it does, how do we respond to it? Is what I think we can control. The only thing we can control. However, you asked about free will, and I think to an extent, I think we are co-creators. Co-create karna hai hum log saath. It doesn't happen. Things are not just happening to us, and we are not just doing things. It's like a partnership. Yeah, I like to think of it as a partnership. That we're creating the reality that we want together. So I feel like you have to show up every day for yourself. But not just for yourself, for the reality you want in the world. There was a time, when I was younger and I really wanted to change things. I wanted to be the president of Pakistan. And I wanted to be the prime minister or the president. President the khair had zero powers, but
Or at least you get to chill, right?
right. I really wanted to change stuff. I wanted to be in politics, and then I stepped on the geopolitical stage, and I'm like, no, I want to solve conflicts. Jo kisi ne nahi kiye. I was always looking outside of myself, something bigger, very difficult to do. That yes, I'm going to do this. I am going to do that. I bada prominent tha till this moment where I realized that I is nothing. I am nothing. I am nothing, but I am everything. I am everything the second I go back inside my body and take responsibility for everything. And that's when you start to co-create. Aapne suna hoga the concept of manifestation and magnetizing. Bahut baat kar rahe hain na aajkal log ki I will manifest my own reality, What is manifestation? It's we all have an electromagnetic field. Have you seen Earth from, obviously we haven't, I don't know if you've been to outer space, but when you see in pictures, you see that the Earth has, it has a field around it. We all have a field around it, you know. And we're working on strengthening that. I mean, I think we all are, not I think, I believe we all have an electromagnetic field around us. And we can activate it. We can strengthen it. And we can work with it to serve our,
अच्छा, जो मेन चीज़ है वो अभी आपने थोड़ी देर पहले ये बात ही बोली कि हमारा दिमाग है वो थॉट्स बहुत ज़्यादा आती हैं, तो वो लाइक थिंकिंग, तो ये फ्री विल वाली चीज़ को मैं इसके साथ कनेक्ट करना चाहूँगा कि अगर मैं यहाँ पे बैठा हूँ, अकेला बैठा हूँ, 15-20 मिनट आधा घंटे के लिए बैठा हूँ और मैं अपने आप को बोलता हूँ कि मैं अब जो है ना, आई विल टेल माई माइंड नॉट टू थिंक अबाउट एनीथिंग, कोई थॉट नहीं आएगी मेरे दिमाग में, ठीक है,
हाँ.
और मैं बैठा हूँ और या तो मैं ड्राइव कर रहा हूँ wherever, तो विद इन द नेक्स्ट 20-30 seconds I'll be lost in thought again.
100%.
I can't even choose what I will think next. तो free will कहाँ है?
So that's exactly where you are going back to the patterns of the mind. So you go back to the breath. Do it with your breath. When you learn to master your breath, you'll master your mind.
Okay, that brings us to breath work, right?
For sure. Brings us to breathing. Yeah.
Okay, so how are these connected? I'm sorry, please go on.
Yeah, so breathing, breathing has a reaction in our bodies. It activates our parasympathetic nervous system,
Okay.
which is our rest and digest, right? It calms us down. It relaxes us. When we are relaxed, things start to shift. Your reality, your perception, duality itself will start to shift. It's a direct experience. This is nothing that can be explained or analyzed. It's a direct experience,
Okay.
And you feel it when you do the right type of breathing and you come out of it. Meditation, why is it so effective? What is the you meditate? I am sure there are different ways of meditation, but one way that doesn't work is stop the thoughts. That doesn't
नहीं,
work,
वो तो
right?
है ना, हाँ.
So what do? You're sitting you're creating the conditions for meditation, right? आप जब बैठते हैं, मेडिटेट करते हैं, तो यू क्रिएट द कंडीशंस. अपने पोस्चर को ठीक रखते हैं, अपनी लोअर बैक को रिलैक्स रखते हैं, अपने शोल्डर्स को रिलैक्स रखते हैं, अपनी जॉ को रिलैक्स रखते हैं, टंग को रिलैक्स रखते हैं, एंड देन यू ब्रीथ डीपली थ्रू योर नोज इनटू योर स्टमक. When you start to breathe deeply through your nose into your stomach, your mind gets the signal that it needs to become quiet. Your thoughts start to slow down, and we start to see reality as it is, or at least closer to it. Then we become closer to nature-centric and less human-centric. Thoughts are human-centric. It's completely human-centric. Does that answer your question? Kind of? No, you still look confused.
मेरे दिमाग में मेडिटेशन को लेकर और भी चीज़ें आ रही थी कि मेडिटेशन में ब्रेथ वर्क तो हो रहा होता है, लेकिन साथ साथ इट्स ऑल्सो अबाउट जस्ट नोटिसिंग दैट्स दैट वी डोंट नॉर्मली डू.
बिल्कुल.
तो जो मेरे सेशंस थे उसके अंदर, बाय द वे आई एम बिग फैन ऑफ दिस ऐप वेकिंग अप, डॉक्टर सैम हैरिस की. तो वो रोज की 10 मिनट की मेडिटेशन होती है. सो आई हैव बीन डूइंग दिस फॉर द लास्ट 4 months आई गेस. कंप्लीटली लाइफ चेंजिंग.
दैट्स ग्रेट,
राइट, कंप्लीटली लाइफ चेंजिंग. तो मैंने अपने आप को बड़ा डेडिकेटेड रखा है इस चीज़ के अंदर. और ऐसे बहुत सारे दिन भी आए हैं जहाँ के 10 मिनट वो मेडिटेशन हुई थी एंड आई वाज कंप्लीटली लॉस्ट इन थॉट, लेकिन मैंने अपने आप को बुरा फील नहीं कराया कि ओह यार व्हाई कांट आई फोकस ऑन दिस. सो आई हैव रियलाइज्ड वन थिंग कि यू नीड टू जस्ट गिव इन at times. Just be comfortable with what's going on.
Surrender.
अब इस तरह भी नहीं हो सकता कि every time you'll be in perfect zone और जो वो बोल रहा है और मैं उसकी exact चीज़ों को follow कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन ऐसे moments भी आए हैं जहाँ पे I was completely following what he was saying. और वो एक किस्म के I mean बड़े ज़बरदस्त किस्म के moments थे जहाँ पे ऐसी feelings और thoughts आ रही होती थी कि it completely took me as a human being, you know. वो बड़ी सी आप कनेक्ट कर रहे होते हो with everything around you, with what's happening inside your body. जो चीज़ें आप फील भी नहीं करते हो, जो sensations फील नहीं करते हो, जो आवाज़ें आप फील नहीं करते हो, just to connect with those things as well. अपने आप को किस्म का रिमाइंडर देना. तो वो बता रहा होता है कि just feel the back of your body touching the chair you're sitting on, right? तो at times we don't even feel that.
Right, yeah.
तो इस तरह की वो डिफरेंट चीज़ें और कॉन्शियसनेस के बारे में कि कौन सी थॉट आ रही है, जस्ट नोटिस. और एक और बड़ी मज़े की चीज़ जो वो कहता है कि जस्ट नोटिस द नेक्स्ट थॉट दैट विल कम इन योर माइंड एंड नोटिस हाउ इट विल गो अवे एज वेल. तो एक जब थॉट आती है आपके दिमाग में तो इट ऑल्सो गोज अवे, राइट. वो एकदम से आपकी कॉन्शियसनेस में कहीं गायब भी हो जाती है. लेकिन वो जो थॉट आती है और वो एक फिजिकल एक्सपीरियंस दे के जाती है, उसको नोट करना भी एक किस्म का बड़ा एक खूबसूरत सा एक्सपीरियंस होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मैं कोई नेगेटिव थॉट के बारे में सोचूंगा, समथिंग दैट बॉदर्स मी और डिस्टर्ब्स मी, अगर मैं आपको बोलूँ अभी फॉर एग्जाम्पल अपने पास को उठा के कोई भी एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में सोचें जो कि अनकंफर्टेबल है, अगर आप अभी बैठ के सोचेंगी तो एकदम से एक सेंसेशन बॉडी के अंदर आएगी, राइट? टिंगलिंग सेंसेशन, हार्ट रेट इंक्रीज करना शुरू हो जाता है,
because you're revisiting that
और वो
event.
फिजिकल सिम्टम्स नजर आते हैं उस थॉट से, राइट?
But you know, this is coming to a really good point because it's taking you back to the event.
Right.
So think about this.
ओके.
Events do not happen outside of our body. They happen inside of our bodies.
ओके, व्हाट डज दैट मीन?
That means that a chemical reaction, something happens inside our body when something happens in front of us.
ओके.
So our memory is inside. That's the thing you're talking about. And that's why it's so beautiful when you sit down and you meditate and you notice the cushion on your back because you're coming back to your body. Most of the times we stay outside of our bodies. हम लोग बाहर रहते हैं अपने, अपने जिस्म के बाहर रहते हैं. जैसे we're not aware of the sensations. Where do you feel it? We're so constantly wrapped up in our thoughts that we don't notice that the heat we're feeling in our stomach or the headache we're getting when someone is in front of us and we don't like them because our energy doesn't match. We don't notice these sensations. And so practices like meditation actually bring you back to your body. And you're right. You're absolutely right. It's not just about breathing and slowing the thoughts down, although that's a vital part of it. It is also about coming back to yourself. Your first home, your first and last home on earth is your body. Take care of it. Be in it. We choose to stay out of it. We build huge mansions to live inside, but we don't take care of this temple. It's our body.
प्रैक्टिकल चीज़ के ऊपर आता हूँ मैं, ठीक है ना? आप और मैं तो बैठ के बात करें, हमने चलो एक्सपीरियंस कर लिया, वी अंडरस्टैंड कि इन चीज़ों का बेनिफिट है. एक नॉर्मल इंसान, उसको ये चीज़ें समझाना, उसको इन चीज़ों की तरफ लेकर आना, इट्स अ पेन. ठीक है, मैं अपने दोस्तों को भेजना फ्री की वेकिंग अप की 1 महीने का, यार कर लो यार 10 मिनट रोज़ है, कर लो, लेकिन नोबडी डज इट, राइट? तो ये किस तरह होगा? मेरा तो क्वेश्चन ये है कि I mean,
you can't change anyone else.
How can you tell people that it is life changing?
You can't. As a yoga teacher, I cannot. Okay, sure. I have, I'll be on Instagram, but I advertise a workshop. Like whatever. You can do that. No, but even as a teacher, even as a person, a human, and you yourself as a human, you cannot convince anyone.
मेरा दूसरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि मैं बड़ा काम किया मैंने अपने ऊपर, ठीक है, एज ए ह्यूमन बीइंग,
Okay.
ठीक है, आई एम प्राउड ऑफ माई सेल्फ दैट आई हैव डन दैट, लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम यू गो बैक टू योर ओल्ड पैटर्न्स. अभी कोई तकरीबन साल एक बाद, पिछले जो 2 हफ्ते रहे हैं मेरी ज़िंदगी में, वो बड़े कोई डिस्टर्बिंग से रहे हैं, ठीक है, वो पुरानी फीलिंग्स और पुराने पैटर्न्स और वो एंग्शियस फीलिंग्स वेयर आई थॉट कि आई एम नॉट इन कंट्रोल, वो वापस आ रहे हैं, ठीक है.
Okay.
तो इवन दो आई हैव डन सो मच वर्क, सब कुछ कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन फिर भी वापस आ रहे हैं. तो इज इट नॉर्मल?
Of course.
Because you're a human being, this will happen.
It's not
and
just-
need to, और
yeah.
फिर वापस अपने आप पे फिर वो करना कि यार अब मैं फिर मेडिटेशन करके किसी से ठीक करूँ, ये एक समझ आइए ना?
I get
That
it.
creates that confusion in your mind. कि are you
But don't be
feeling?
confused by it. Healing is a spiral. It's not a ladder. It's like this. And each time you revisit that, you're uncovering a different part of it.
फिर आप तंग आए तो आप कहते बढ़ गया यार, मैं जो पहले था ठीक था ना.
So that's up to you. वो फिर आपकी choice है.
और कम से कम पता तो नहीं था ना, डिनाइल में रहना ज्यादा
But
बेहतर है.
isn't
that what everyone thinks as well? I mean that's
isn't
easier for them, right?
But that brings us back to, do you want to be a superhuman, if there's such a thing? Or do you just want to be human? Do you want to live your life according to your highest purpose and for your, I guess, your well-being or highest well-being, I guess. I'm not sure I'm using the word properly, but to be a superhuman means you surrender that, yes, it is a spiral staircase. It's not a linear one. And I will revisit the same triggers are going to happen.
Yeah.
It's just your response to it is going to be different. And if it's showing up in your body for a reason, like जैसे आप कह रहे हैं आपको पिछले 2 हफ्ते में ये बहुत it came back for a reason. Don't doubt it. Nothing is a coincidence. Things coincide. They happen at the same time for you. But it's not so much कि हाँ बस हो गया. Oh, okay, that was wow, why did that happen? Like, it's not a coincidence. Coincidence. साथ हुई ये चीजें.
लेकिन मैं बड़ा फिगर आउट करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ क्यों हो रहा है.
So maybe don't go into the why. Don't go into the why.
मैं तो बस अपने आप को बोला ठीक है, हो रहा है, कुछ नहीं होता. मैं तो इस दफा ये बोला कि
ये
I'll
भी ना
just sit with
बोले
it.
ये हाँ नहीं sit with it भी कर लें, but also revisit the feeling that's coming. Maybe the feeling is asking you to look at a part of yourself that is asking to be looked at. What is the feeling that comes up? Okay, let me ask you, what is the feeling that comes up?
I mean, उसको मैं डिस्क्राइब किस तरीके से करूँ उस फीलिंग को?
Is there a color attached to it? Is it somewhere in your body that you can feel it?
Of course, वो तो जब when you're feeling uncomfortable with something, या तो कोई fear दिमाग में आपके है, या तो कोई fear या insecurity कोई specific feeling generate कर रहा है, वो of course discomfort की feeling होती है ना.
I
वो
get
good
it, but
feeling
where
तो
do
नहीं
you
होती,
feel
right?
it in your body?
I mean somewhere in the stomach.
Somewhere in the
यहाँ भी तो
stomach.
feeling नहीं आती हमेशा जब भी कुछ बुरा होता है
I
ना.
don't know. It's different for
gut
everyone.
feeling और
Sometimes people feel it in their knees. You know,
मुझे तो
sometimes-
हमेशा यहाँ पे feeling आती
Okay, good. So it's here.
हाँ.
So, you know, I mean, as you're doing, you're sitting with it and observing it. You know, feelings are also like thoughts. They also go. You just have to observe them for 1 second. They just need
that's beautiful.
witnessing.
Yeah.
You just need to
Okay.
witness it. Just witness it. Witness the discomfort. I found that for myself, that really, it's so difficult to witness the discomfort. I mean, oh my God, to
It is
witness.
difficult,
It is
exactly.
so
मैं यही सोच रहा था.
difficult. It is so painful. We want to distract ourselves from the agony of it all.
और फिर मैं पता है कुछ मीठा खा लिया,
I hear you. Yeah, I
कुछ
get
और
it. Eating
मूवी
your
लगा ली,
emotions,
डिस्ट्रैक्शंस
man.
फोन पे यूज कर लिया, रील्स यूज.
so uncomfortable,
उसको
right?
हाँ, तो उसको फोकस नहीं करना, लेकिन हमें डिस्ट्रैक्शन चाहिए फटाफट.
But उसी वक्त-
चॉकलेट खाऊंगा एंड आई फील गुड.
Yes, but it's not. It's cheap dopamine.
हाँ,
You
तो
know, like, you
वो
know,
टेम्पररी सोल्यूशन है, लेकिन द फीलिंग विल कम
it's a
बैक.
band-aid, right? So it's going to come back as long as you don't witness it. Just witness it. Just, and I'm sure you
नहीं,
are.
बैठा नहीं जाता ना सुकून से फिर.
तो बैठो नहीं. You can stand around. You
वो
can
बंदा यूं यूं जा रहा होता है, कुछ
you
चाहिए,
can
कुछ
pace
चाहिए, कुछ
around
चाहिए.
and witness it, bhai. You don't have to sit and witness it. Witness it the way you can. Like just say, I'm so uncomfortable. Scream. Cry. I cry. मैं तो रोती हूँ. जोर जोर से रोती हूँ. चीखती हूँ. ये क्यों हो? बात करती हूँ. Talk to it. Why are you not talking to it? Maybe it wants you to talk to it.
हाँ.
Maybe it wants you to really have a conversation with it. So have a conversation with it. Pehle I used to be like, you know, I mean, sit down and observe. No, man, that doesn't work for me.
अच्छा?
Of course. For me,
okay.
sometimes it works to sit down and just look at the feeling and let it pass. Stillness works sometimes. Sometimes having a real conversation with that feeling works.
Okay, I'll try that.
Yes, talk to it. Talk to it. Say, क्यों हो यहाँ पर? Why are you here? I feel you here. Talk to me. I'm here for you. I'm here for you. Do it alone. Scream, cry. The release of emotions is a really effective way for us to acknowledge it. When we feel the emotion completely now, that thing that's happening here or here or here or wherever, it feels witnessed because we're releasing it. You know, and it's uncomfortable. I'm not going to say this path is easy. Come on, it's not easy. There's nothing easy about it. There's nothing easy about being a superhuman. I don't know if there's such a thing. But, you know, it is your topic. So,
Superhuman, by the way, ये नहीं है कि एक ऐसा इंसान who's perfect at everything.
I know I'm doing it. I'm taking it rather literally.
Superhuman मुझे लगता है वो है
हाँ.
who's constantly trying to be a better human.
Or flawed. Or accepting yourself in its raw audacity.
हाँ.
Raw audacity नहीं होती.
तो ये
I am
acceptance
flawed.
भी बहुत बड़ी बात है, और मुझे लगता है वही superhuman है जो कि accept कर ले इसे.
And there's a very thin line between that acceptance and arrogance.
हाँ, तो ये भी हाँ.
So we need to tread that line carefully.
हाँ.
A lot of people, you know, have told me, and it's nice, I can talk about it right now. They're like, you're being authentic, you're owning your decisions, you're owning your life, but isn't that very arrogant? And I'm like, no, I'm doing it for me. I have to take responsibility for the things that feel good to me, and I have to stand in that. Right? I can't hide from it. But for a lot of people for most of society, to be standing in your truth also means to not be with the group. Group mentality runs us, right? To stand in your truth means to be a little different. It's a very brave path, and for some it can be a very lonely one too.
हाँ, तो let's come to this, not come back to this. We're social animals, right? And we need to
are.
socialize.
We are.
And this is what research proves as well, कि जब जो लोग socialize करते हैं और जिनके healthy relationships होते हैं,
Right.
तो they tend to live longer. They're less prone to chronic diseases.
Right.
ठीक है, तो अब आपने जो बात की, इफ यू टेक योर ओन पाथ, तो फिर आप थोड़ा सा आइसोलेशन की तरफ भी चले जाएंगे, तो फिर ये काउंटर प्रोडक्टिव नहीं हो जाएगा थोड़ा
No, I
सा?
think
हाउ डू यू
it's-
मैनेज?
I think you find your own
This-
tribe.
अच्छा,
100%. You
मुझे
do
तो ट्राइब नहीं मिला अभी तक, मैं ट्राइब ढूंढने की
because you're in
तुमको भी ट्राइब
Islamabad.
चाहिए यार, किधर है?
इस्लामाबाद में जो बैठे हुए इसलिए यहाँ पे कौन सी ट्राइब मिलेगी? यहाँ पे तो
यहाँ वाकई यार,
यहाँ पे तो खाली
मुझे कहीं और जाने की जरूरत है, मैं
बंदर
नहीं सोच
मिलेंगे.
रहा। बाकी
No, I'm
इस्लामाबाद में
kidding.
ट्राइब नहीं
Islamabad is beautiful. It has its own vibe. But yeah. Look, I think
This is why I
I
started
think
this
it's a
podcast,
balance.
by the way.
Really? It's
हाँ, this is why I
it's
started this
great.
podcast.
Yeah. Okay.
तो इस पॉडकास्ट के ऊपर ऐसे इंटरेस्टिंग लोग आए हैं जिनसे मिलके मुझे थोड़ा सा जो है ना, वो एक अच्छा फील होता है आपको ना
Okay.
इवेंचुअली के यार, there are people who
So
you can have such
you are
conversations
you're
with.
creating a tribe.
है ना?
तो आप कर तो रहे हैं tribe. मतलब देखें, you're also choosing to be in your truth. No,
Yeah.
you're choosing to talk about things that maybe people don't like to talk about,
हाँ,
and that's okay.
yeah.
To foster social and human connection doesn't mean you have to agree with everything all the time.
Yeah.
The majority
Absolutely.
opinion is not the right opinion. Majority is not democracy, in my humble opinion.
Yeah, true.
Okay? We are social animals and we are political animals, you know. I think the way to staying true to yourself also means going against the grain a little bit, you know. You have to swim upstream a bit. And that's okay. Because वहीं पे तो friction आएगी, वहीं पे तो change आएगा, वहीं पे तो नई चीजें आएंगी, you know. It's not going to come by just going in one direction. I mean, come on. I'm not saying rebel without a cause or without a reason, maybe sometimes. Sometimes we rebel as a reaction. There's a very big difference in going against the grain if it's reactionary and when it comes as a response. There's a big difference between reaction and response.
Okay. Yeah, of course.
Reaction comes more from fear and lack. Response comes more from understanding and more like, oh no, this is, you know. How many times has it been? I mean, we're people, right? We're social animals. You spoke about this. I'm sure many times in your life, people must have criticized what you're doing or what you're saying. And you probably felt a reaction inside you come up that no, you know. And how many times have you reacted and how many times have you responded? You know.
दोनों चीजें बहुत दफा हुई हैं.
Exactly. मेरे साथ भी. When I was younger, it was more like
Reaction होता था.
reaction, shouting, gussa, oof, gussa. Gussa is everything, you know. I can express it.
लेकिन इवेंचुअली समझ आई कि उसका फायदा नहीं है. आप
It doesn't
रिस्पॉन्ड कर
serve
लो.
us.
रिस्पॉन्ड कर लो, बेशक रिस्पॉन्ड आप थोड़े से गुस्से से भी कर सकते हो, लेकिन वो कंट्रोल्ड रिस्पॉन्स हो.
Or
At
maybe
least you
not,
know how you're
or
responding.
maybe there is no, maybe it's silence. Because you understand finally that it doesn't matter how you respond to someone's criticism. Their criticism is about themselves, not about you. You know.
हाँ, मैं वो क्रिटिसिज्म की बात नहीं है, लेकिन जनरली
But I'm
सिचुएशंस
just
भी होती है
saying,
ना कि जहाँ
generally,
पे
maybe I'm stuck on the thing of criticism right now because that's the story in my head these days. You're like, I'm not talking about criticism. Achha, I am. Okay.
नहीं, जनरली फॉर एग्जांपल बिजनेस के अंदर कोई गलत चीज कर देता है, तो उसके बाद आपने किस तरह रिस्पॉन्ड करना है उस सिचुएशन पे, यू नो,
Right.
दैट आल्सो मैटर्स. रिलेशनशिप्स के अंदर माँ बाप आपके कोई चीज़ आपको ऐसे बोल दें, खास तौर पे जो पाकिस्तानी लोग हैं, हम सबका ट्रॉमा अपने माँ बाप से लेके बहुत ही ज़्यादा है. हम दैट्स ट्रू, आई एम टेलिंग यू.
I mean, I think, yeah, it's a universal
हम
thing,
सबका
yeah.
है, तो हमारा ज़्यादा है मुझे लगता है. ठीक है, तो
You
वहाँ
think?
पे हाँ हाँ
Subcontinental?
डेफिनेटली.
Achha, okay.
तो
Why do you think? Is it because the mothers treat their sons like kings? No.
नहीं मदर्स, ये भी कहानी है. मदर्स ट्रीट देयर सन्स लाइक
Oh,
किंग्स.
अच्छा, नहीं करते?
नहीं, वो भी
नहीं, really, tell me.
अगर नहीं देखें, अगर फॉर एग्जांपल एक माँ अपने बच्चे को बहुत अच्छे तरीके से ट्रीट करती है, उसको सब कुछ देती है, तू मेरा बेटा है, तू मेरा लाडला है, तू ए भी खा, ओ भी खा. इन द एंड होता क्या है, वो जो बेटा है कुछ भी नहीं करता, पड़ा रहता है, यूजलेस हो जाता है. उसने फाइट कोई नहीं करनी है जिंदगी में, बाहर जाके लड़ना नहीं है, कोई एबिलिटी नहीं है टू फाइट. ठीक है, अपने आप को बेहतर करने की कोई ख्वाहिश उसके अंदर रहती नहीं है, बिकॉज उसको हर चीज़ प्लेट में मिल जाती है. तो वो तो उसका नुकसान ही हो गया ना, फायदा तो कोई ना हुआ. तो वो भी एक ट्रॉमा ही है, वो भी एक किस्म की गलत चीज़ ही है ना जो उसके साथ हुई. तो
और ये किसकी गलती है?
ये मुझे लगता है पेरेंटिंग में फॉल्ट है.
Sure.
पेरेंटिंग में ही फॉल्ट है, लेकिन टू अ सर्टेन एक्सटेंट अगर जो बच्चा है वो रियलाइजेशन कर ले एट सम पॉइंट इन देयर लाइफ कि यार दिस इज नॉट वर्किंग इन माई फेवर एंड दिस विल बी डैमेजिंग फॉर मी in the future, for my relationships, for my career, for the kind of person who I am. So maybe that person or that boy or that guy could take a step away and somehow manage things by themselves.
You have to.
But that's
और कौन
but नहीं ना कौन realization देगा इस चीज की?
Everyone has trauma. Everyone
कोई
has
भी
trauma.
नहीं, मैं जनरली उस लड़के की बात कर रहा हूँ जो एक पाकिस्तानी हाउस होल्ड में बड़ा हो रहा है ना, उस बेचारे को कौन डायरेक्शन देगा यार? उसको तो लग रहा है सब चीजें मुझे मिल रही हैं, बाद में बेगम आएगी वो मेरा ख्याल रखेगी, मैं एक जॉब पे जाऊंगा, वही टिपिकल चीजें करूंगा और मैं जिंदगी गुजार लूंगा बस.
बेचारा कोई नहीं है.
वो डिनाइल में है ना, उसको तो कुछ भी नहीं पता.
बेचारा. This is victimhood. Okay? This is victimhood. Whether it's a girl who's been treated like a lardli or a guy who's been treated like a lardla.
मैं लड़का और लड़की दोनों जो भी हैं, मैं उनको इतना वो उस तरह नहीं बोलूंगा कि वो तू विक्टिम मान रहा है वो करके. कभी कभी आपको डायरेक्शन भी नहीं मिलती ना बेचारों को. मैं इसलिए बेचारा बोल रहा हूँ कि लोगों को डायरेक्शन नहीं मिलती है. हमारे
तो किससे मिलेगी?
हमारे घर.
Be your own guru. We have to become our own guru.
ये कौन बताएगा?
क्या मतलब कौन बताएगा? हम बताएंगे. We have to listen to our bodies.
हम बता रहे हैं.
So we have to come back to. So that's why we're doing this.
हाँ ना, लेकिन मैं वही बता रहा हूँ कि पेरेंटिंग.
Okay.
मैं फिर से बेचारे का वर्ड यूज करूंगा. उन बेचारे पेरेंट्स को भी नहीं पता वो क्या कर रहे हैं.
Exactly.
They're just trying and doing their best.
It's a cycle.
हाँ,
their parents did it to them in a different way. They are just perpetuating it. Sometimes they don't even realize they're stuck in a cycle. We have to break the cycle. We have to break the cycle.
लेकिन मुझे लगता है अब जाके you're right कि अब इतनी इन्फॉर्मेशन अवेलेबल है हर एक को हर टॉपिक के ऊपर, तो आपके अंदर से खुद से भी थोड़ी सी आवाज आनी चाहिए कि यार मैं थोड़ा सा देख लूं यार क्या करना चाहिए क्या नहीं करना चाहिए.
हम लोग कौन से बैठे हुए 1920 में कि कभी you have no access.
Everything's available online, right? So
totally judging that era, by the way. I think they have their own modes of communication, but I'm just saying we have so much access to a world of information, but sometimes too much information can be a bad thing too.
Abundance is also causing a lot of issues.
Not
right
abundance,
now, right?
not abundance. Too much of information is sometimes can also be a bad thing.
It's confusing people.
Of course, because I mean, also like, where do we have this information? Is it me and you sitting together and talking? No, it's on a phone. This is technology. Let's face it, we need human interaction too. Technology serves us. I like technology too. We all use it. But too much of it is also like, it's not the greatest thing. But look, we have to strike the balance somehow. Everything good has something a little off about it too. There's a balance. You have to arrive at your own equilibrium, and that's why these practices, which I'm going to come back to, actually help you coming to a balance. It's not yoga on the mat. Yoga off the mat.
Let's come to Reiki. What is that?
Reiki is a Japanese healing technique.
Can I tell you one of my experiences?
Yes, of course.
तो my भाभी, she took me to this person. उसने कहा कि वो रेकी करती हैं and she has great energies और वो जाके तुम्हारा एक सेशन होगा and you feel great, ठीक है ना. तो I went there, I got this session done. तो वो कुछ something about connect, अब मुझे याद नहीं है, तो vaguely याद है because कुछ 4-5 साल हो गए इस चीज़ को. तो she was asking me to connect with earth और earth से कोई energies आ रही हैं which are healing energies. I don't know. She's very loud about whatever she was saying and she was telling me to feel something, right?
Okay.
अब मुझे exactly याद नहीं है कि उसने क्या किया क्या, लेकिन honestly speaking whatever she did, शायद मेरे दिमाग ने उस चीज़ पे यकीन किया होगा या जो भी है, I felt great for the next 2 to 3 weeks.
Oh, that's nice.
हाँ, it did change how I felt about things, right?
Oh, that's great.
So I want you to explain me, I mean,
how it worked?
How it worked and what is it?
Reiki
actually
is a healing, it's I guess we could call it it's a hands-on healing. We use our hands. Did she use her hands on you?
नहीं,
Did
वो तो
she
पहले
keep
कहा था
them
कि
close?
उसका मियाँ होगा तो सिर्फ वो तभी कर सकती है रेकी.
Okay.
और वो ऐसा भी कोई सीन था तो
So what did she do? She made
hands का कोई सीन नहीं था. She was sitting.
Maybe she did distance Reiki.
हाँ,
it's okay. She probably did, but it was Reiki, right?
हाँ.
Okay.
I mean,
she probably did
that's what I was
distance
told.
Reiki. Reiki is just it's a tool for accessing universal life force again that I talked about, and becoming a conduit or channel for it for the recipient. So all you're doing is connecting you to consciousness or unity consciousness.
Okay.
ठीक है?
Okay.
So you felt great because you got connected. It's a connector.
Okay.
It's a connector. And it is just a very nice, relaxing way to receive it. Because you're not engaging in the usual things that you do with yoga or Qigong. Like we're doing a little bit of physical work in these. In Reiki, you're basically just lying down or sitting down and you're receiving it. Same concept, huh? All of it goes back to one thing, which is connecting you to life force. Making life force run through you so that you become connected to the collective. and that allows you to heal. When we become disconnected, that's when the discomfort comes. That's where the disease comes. Disease comes, and So when we're connected, it goes. We just need to remember. It's a remembrance. Did that answer your question, or am I still vague?
हाँ नहीं ठीक है. I mean,
These things are beyond the mind. You have to understand. A mind is struggling to understand. What are you saying? But it's a direct experience, and you experienced it. So welcome that experience. You felt great. Isn't that enough? But the mind is going to constantly ask you, why did you feel great? Kya tha? It was me, wasn't it, that convinced you that you're going to be okay? It wasn't. It was your body. Your body received the wisdom, the healing. You allowed it to. You gave yourself permission. The mind, or you, all of you, gave yourself permission to receive the healing. And you received it. You got it. Enjoy it. Don't question it. Trust it. Trust. Trust.
True, yeah.
We struggle to trust, right? Meditation, healing, God energy. It's a direct experience, That's what I feel.
meditation को explain करें. What is meditation? क्योंकि मेरा जो दिमाग
It's a
में concept
direct
था वो change
experience.
हो गया अब.
क्यों change हुआ?
As in बेहतर अच्छा change हुआ है, बुरा
अच्छा
change
change
हुआ
हुआ? नहीं, there's no बुरा और अच्छा. Huh? There's just
Lekin I
a
mean,
spectrum.
it's
There's no बुरा और अच्छा. There's only a spectrum. क्या मतलब?
what do people think about what is meditation, यार?
What is I can tell you what my experience is.
Okay, go on.
What I can tell you can create the conditions for meditation, a meditative practice, in order to start to observe. It's an observation. It's not about reaching, sure, eventually it's about reaching a bliss state or being unified with a unity state, but I haven't arrived there yet. So I will give you my experience of meditation is it's arriving back, coming back to my body, observing, becoming the ultimate observer in my own reality. What is happening inside me? What is happening in my mind? These thoughts, they are racing. They're racing. Stop racing. Breathe. Colors, sensations. It's a moment, it's a pause. For me, it's a pause. It's just a pause, And that pause feels really good.
आप regularly करती हैं? हर रोज के
Can I
कम
be
से कम?
honest?
हाँ सच बताना ना.
Last 2 months, I have not been able to meditate.
अच्छा.
I'm having a, let's be honest, right? That's why we're here. To be real, I've had a very difficult few months.
अच्छा.
Yeah, very difficult emotionally, mentally, physically, very, very much so. And I'm, it's good to speak about this because other people will have the courage to speak about it too. So I've not been able to sit down with myself. I've been doing other things, moving, meditations, other kar rahi hu. Stillness is not calling me in the last few months.
Causing discomfort.
Too much discomfort. So I'm addressing that discomfort through other things, I guess I'm doing more asanas or yoga asanas. Zyada main us taraf ja rahi hu to move that energy around. Different things for different times. But I can tell you one thing. If I just make that choice, it's okay. Just sit down and do it every day for 10 minutes. It's going to change my reality. I know that too. I know that, but I'm not doing it. Even as a teacher.
इसी बारे में बात कर रहा था.
As a teacher, I'm teaching it.
Eventually होता बड़ा मुश्किल है.
It is.
ये मैं कह रहा हूँ कि हम जैसे लोग जिन्होंने एक्सपीरियंस किया हुआ है the goodness
You just
of
have to do it, पता है?
लेकिन एक नॉर्मल बंदे को आप कैसे कन्विंस करेंगे? उनके लिए तो बहुत मुश्किल होगा.
मैं
फिर बेचारों का वर्ड तभी यूज करता हूँ कि यार इतना मुश्किल है
बेचारा कोई
एक इंसान को अपने आप को बेहतर बनाना.
ये बेचारा कोई नहीं है. ये तो मैंने इसी वक्त
बेचारा है ना.
मैंने कोई बेचारा नहीं. मैं इसी वक्त
पीछे बैठा है वो भी तो बेचारा है. नाक बंद करके बैठा है.
ये क्या है? यही तो है ना विक्टिम मेंटालिटी जो the people who are doing the work, excuse me, okay. The people who are doing the work, ये जो बेचारा वाला है ना, बेचारा.
ये बोलना बंद कर देना चाहिए.
Fuck this shit. Pardon my French. You can beep me if you want, but screw this shit, okay? No, I'm sorry. There's no bichara or bichari. There are some people who are in worse circumstances, who don't have access, who we can see that. We can say, okay, they, don't have access to it, and maybe you can do something in order to provide that access, and it's okay. But then it's their choice. But people who are healthy, able-bodied, sitting with clear minds, or like with all their faculties in place, to say that you're a bichara, that means it's a choice to stay in your victimhood. You're not taking responsibility for anything in your life. Oh, my mother loved me too much, so I am a good-for-nothing fool. I'm sorry, you're not a bichara. Okay, you're not a bichara, you're spoilt. Now get out of it, okay? There's a difference. Bichara is someone who has no access to water, who's literally born with nothing, who's facing war every day. That I can say, no, that's a serious situation. And yes, somewhere it's our responsibility, or maybe that also isn't our responsibility to, if we can, provide access to it, Bichara, someone who's been overloved.
पाकिस्तानी मर्द आपको पसंद नहीं है ना, बिल्कुल भी.
हाँ, मुझे No. I have nothing against Pakistani men. I have nothing against Pakistani women. I am a woman from Pakistan. My lineage is from here. I have absolutely nothing against the country I grew up in.
लेकिन मर्द पसंद नहीं है पाकिस्तान.
Not at all. I have nothing against men. I think
बुरे
men and
experiences
women.
हुए होंगे, लाज़मी बात. हर बंदे के relationship में बुरे experiences हुए होते हैं ना, फिर
Excuse me,
you
you're
tend
making
to hate.
massive. I do not hate men. What? Absolutely nothing. No, but I'll tell you what I do not like. I do not like it when people, think about it over here. In this country, don't you see a massive difference between the way men are treated and the way women are treated?
मैं इसको conversation को यहाँ पे नहीं लेके जाते.
Oh, really?
Conflict
But you
आएगा.
did take it to the point where you're like, oh, but you hate men. I mean, you've got to explain that. I have to tell you. It's a collective rage, huh? Maybe it's a collective rage. It's a collective rage.
मुझे पता है क्या लगता है, मैं
Cheers, collective
मैं
rage.
एक बात करूं, मुझे लगता है कि हम लोगों को मर्द और औरत के बीच में डिफरेंशिएशन क्रिएट नहीं करनी चाहिए, ठीक है? अब मैं इस बारे में बात
What are you going to do about the 1,000 years of misogyny?
मैं वो नहीं, मैं एक सेकंड.
Oh, I'm sorry.
मैं सिर्फ एक कॉन्सेप्ट की बात कर रहा हूँ कि होना क्या चाहिए. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा क्या हुआ है, मैं कह रहा हूँ होना क्या चाहिए.
True.
कि पहले ही उस दुनिया के अंदर बहुत सारी चीज़ों के अंदर डिफरेंशिएशन हो रही है ना, कि तू पाकिस्तानी है तो मैं इंडियन हूँ, तू मुसलमान है तो मैं हिंदू हूँ, तू लड़का है तो मैं लड़की हूँ, तू बड़ा है तो मैं छोटा हूँ, तू अमीर है तो मैं गरीब हूँ. इन सब चीज़ों की वजह से ह्यूमैनिटी डिवाइड हो रही है, ठीक है? अभी हम थोड़ी देर पहले हम बात कर रहे थे कॉन्शियसनेस की, कि हम सारे सेम कॉन्शियसनेस भी शेयर करते हैं, राइट? तो फिर वाई क्रिएट डिविजन्स?
I agree.
हमें नहीं करना, हमें सिर्फ प्यार की बात करनी चाहिए. दिस व्हाट आई बिलीव
That's
इन
toxic
जनरली.
positivity.
अच्छा.
Yes, of course. You have to acknowledge this darkness inside you. If you are rightfully pointing out, I feel like your tone is a little more aggressive towards men. It's my responsibility to be like, Acha Fiza, take a look within. Where is this rage coming from? And then I can respond to you. Actually, this rage of ours is institutionalized collective rage over the centuries, coming at the mistreatment of women, right? So we cannot be equal right now. That's why our rage is also not equal. That's a response. You know what I mean? But it is our responsibility to look at it, bhai. And yes, no one wants to divide. I don't want to divide. Flags divide. In a way, gender divides too. It does. But we all have those energies within us. The masculine and feminine energy also resides within each person. Do you agree with that or not?
Yeah, of course.
It does, right? We have a feminine energy and we have a masculine energy. Yoga literally means union. And Hatha yoga, which is, the yoga that I've studied and learned. Hatha literally is Hatha. It's the sun and the moon. The sun represents the fiery energy, the more masculine one. And Tha is the feminine, the moon energy, the woman. And that exists in all of us.
कोएग्जिस्ट करना चाहिए ना दोनों को ना.
Yeah.
तो फिर वही कमिंग बैक टू द सेम थिंग, मुझे भी यही लगता है कि हमें डिविजन्स क्रिएट नहीं करनी चाहिए.
True. But
दुनिया के अंदर जो गलत हुआ वो, I mean, on a smaller
We don't need to
scale.
go back into it and go over history and be like blame.
क्योंकि जितनी
I agree.
बिटरनेस क्रिएट होना शुरू हो जाती है ना. अगर मैं फॉर एग्जांपल इस कॉन्वर्सेशन
So how do we go forward then?
मैं वैसे ही आपको वही बता रहा हूँ कि अभी इस कॉन्वर्सेशन में भी अगर मैं इसको डायरेक्शन देना चाहूँ, मैं डिफेंड करना शुरू कर दूँ, नहीं मर्द तो ऐसे होते हैं, मर्द ये चीज़ फेस करते हैं, वो चीज़ फेस करते हैं, फिर आप बोलेंगी नहीं औरतों के साथ ये बुरा हुआ, तो आई विल हैव माई साइड ऑफ द स्टोरी, यू विल हैव योर साइड ऑफ द स्टोरी. फॉर यू योर साइड ऑफ द स्टोरी विल मेक कंप्लीट सेंस, एंड फॉर मी my side of the story or
Will
the
make complete
preconceived beliefs in my mind
हाँ.
would make 100% sense.
True,
right?
true, true.
तो अगर 10 लोगों को मैं यहाँ सामने बैठा दूंगा, 10 लोग यहाँ बैठ जाए, दोनों आपस में डिबेट करते हैं, हम इंस्टाग्राम पे भी देखते हैं, एक मैस्कुलिनिटी को डिफेंड कर रहा है, एक फेमिनिज्म को डिफेंड कर रहा है, दोनों अपनी अपनी साइड्स ऑफ द स्टोरी
Right,
बता रहे हैं,
right,
दोनों अपनी जगह ठीक भी हो सकते हैं टू अ सर्टेन एक्सटेंट. लेकिन मेरा कहने का मकसद ये है कि हमें डिविजन्स क्रिएट नहीं करनी चाहिए, जेंडर्स में भी नहीं करनी चाहिए, हेट्रेड नहीं
Agreed.
फैलाना चाहिए, जेंडर्स में भी नहीं फैलाना चाहिए. इंडिया पाकिस्तान में भी मुझे लगता है कि लड़ाई नहीं होनी चाहिए,
Of course.
रिलीजन्स के बीच में भी इशू नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि एक कलेक्टिव ईगो, ये जो कलेक्टिव ईगो है, दैट इज कॉजिंग वॉर, बिटरनेस, लोगों को बुरा बोलना, बैक बाइट करना, गलत बात कर देना. मुझे लगता है उस सब चीज़ों को सेटल डाउन करना चाहिए, एंड द वर्ल्ड शुड मूव टूवर्ड्स एंड फोकस टूवर्ड्स मोर लव, मोर अंडरस्टैंडिंग.
Right.
That's all I'm saying.
I think that's a beautiful sentiment, and I agree with you. I think we are heading towards a unity.
अल्लाह करे,
consciousness.
क्योंकि दुनिया मुझे लगता है थोड़ी सी एक
No, I think where there's darkness, there's also a lot of light. Not to, in any way insinuate that darkness is bad and light is good. That is also a spectrum. I'm just saying that in order to come into the light, we need to first look at our darkness. It's like people who talk about peace. If you can't even look at your own violence, how can you talk about peace? You have to look at your own violence. Comes back to what you were saying, that discomfort. What do I do with it? Talk to it. Maybe it needs a stage inside your body. Look at it, talk to it, and then it'll just leave. Or it'll integrate kar jayega. And that's when you'll come out more, Shadow work is about acknowledging the parts of ourselves that we don't like. It's about releasing, or rather integrating, the shame. I'm sure aap theek keh rahe hain, those Pakistani men or women who have been coddled, they feel helpless almost, like they don't know how to do things themselves. What they need to do is perhaps look at their own shame, at their inability to do it, and then they will be able to do it,
self-awareness.
That's also a process, and it's a choice, I think. I know people who have not had access to any resources. They don't live the lives we do, but yet there is awareness there. They've had more difficult lives than us, physically or even emotionally. Same kinds of parenting. But where did their awareness come from, Were they the chosen ones? No, everyone is chosen. Everyone is chosen, I think we have to choose ourselves. When you decide to choose yourself and say, okay, I will take responsibility, that is the day.
And the toughest decision, by the way.
Yeah, and the toughest, that everything starts to shift. When you are okay to be the villain in someone else's story, because it doesn't make a difference to your story. That's their journey. When you're willing to be the hero or the anti-hero in your own journey, it's just a journey, right? We become so attached to roles. मैं तो ये हूँ, right?
Ego, right? That's also
the
ego.
That's the role. That's me, myself, and I. I was treated like this. Treated, everything
Yeah.
is done to us.
Yeah.
Nothing is done to us. Things happen, and we make choices in those decisions. And then you move with those decisions. Then you show up. You show up every day for yourself and for the person in front. We are human, right? We hurt other people. We hurt ourselves too. The only thing we can do is take responsibility for it and just stand in it and be like, yes, this has happened. The same thing that you're talking about. How do we move forward now? I don't think anyone is evil.
Exactly.
I don't think so.
बेचारे हैं ना सारे.
Victims bhi nahi hai. I wouldn't go so far. I think we're spiritual beings having a human experience. And that's complex, yeah.
I mean,
this human body is complex. Gravity is complex. Look at Earth, man. Gravity. Are you kidding me? Like, gravity is intense, man. Gravity is intense. Look at the way the cosmos interact with Earth. Full moon hota hai, sare pagal ho jate. It's true, right? you know?
True, yeah.
Women's cycles are dictated so much by the cosmos. I mean, we are connected. We are the seasons. All of it is here.
Absolutely.
I do think that modern society has created patterns or they've created these belief systems that make us believe that this is the right way when we should be going with the natural way of things.
Yeah.
Like, for instance, New Year's.
Yeah.
When do you think New Year's actually is according to, you know, like a natural calendar? It's spring. You know, it's not January.
तो हमने बना लिया ना.
वो तो हमने बनाया ना, Gregorian. We've made it because it was convenient. We've done a lot of things that are convenient, which are pretty stupid. Like, for instance, we don't wake up at dawn and go to sleep at, you know,
है ना?
at the end of the
That's
day.
how it's supposed to be.
That is
लाइट आ
exactly.
गई, ये चीजें आ गई, वो चीजें आ गई, हम सारे बत्तियां ऑन करके बैठे हुए हैं रात 3-3 बजे तक, उठ रहे हैं 2 बजे.
And because of that, we've also completely exploited the
सूरज में
planet.
कोई नहीं जा रहा, आपका पाँव जमीन पे टच करता नहीं है, ग्राउंडिंग कोई नहीं कर रहा. आई मीन हम इतना ज्यादा डिस्कनेक्ट कर चुके हैं नेचर से. और सुबह सुबह मैंने जब से लाइट लेना शुरू किया है, जस्ट फॉर 10 मिनट्स ग्राउंडिंग करना, जूते उतार के बाहर वॉक करता हूँ और 10 मिनट लाइट लेता हूँ. कंप्लीट चेंज इन एनर्जी थ्रू आउट द डे.
It does.
इतनी छोटी सी चीज से, और
It's a
फ्री में
huge
यार,
thing,
अल्लाह
yeah.
ताला फ्री में दी हुई है ना आपको. बाहर जाना है, वॉक करना है थोड़ा सा, लेकिन नहीं करना. बिल्कुल डिस्कनेक्ट कर गए हम लोग नेचर से.
Yeah, we have disconnected because, you know, we've become slaves to, I guess or we don't have to be this way. I'm not going to talk about what happened. I'm not going to talk about how awful the Industrial Revolution was for mankind, okay?
Yeah.
I'm not going to go back there. Let's just stay in the moment, stay in the present. We are where we are through our own choices as collectively and individually. And we are where we are because this is exactly the way things were supposed to happen. And now, where are we heading? You know, I think that's a very important question. Where are we headed? You know, I think we're headed towards a more aware era of consciousness. I
Okay.
feel that.
That's good.
There's a lot of war around us and a lot of, you know, there's a lot of death around us. We see it, the news and that sort of, but we also don't see that a lot more people are becoming connected and more aware and going back to basics. We're going back to basics,
Which is a good thing.
fundamentals.
Yeah.
We're going back to our body. You know, I don't think I would be sitting and doing a podcast, wellness, related to wellness, even 10 years ago. But we are. So we are. Let's give ourselves some credit that, yes, we're going somewhere. And it's
Very
okay.
true.
We're all showing up every day
Yeah.
and we're trying, you know?
Yeah. Absolutely. So, by the way, it was a very interesting talk. And I hope लोगों को मज़ा भी आया होगा. मैं जिस तरह अभी बोल रहा था कि मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया. It was very interesting for me. I got to learn a lot. और बड़ी मज़े की conversation हुई है. पिछले 12-13 एपिसोड जितने भी एपिसोड हुए हैं, मैं चाहता था कोई आप जैसा आए जिसके साथ में इस तरह की कॉन्वर्सेशन कर सकूं, बिकॉज काफ़ी ज़्यादा क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजिस्ट भी आए जिनको मैं इस डायरेक्शन में लेके जाना चाहता था, लेकिन वो दे couldn't really talk about these things. So I thoroughly enjoyed the talk. I loved having you on board. Thank you
you.
so much. If there's anything that you would like to add, please go on.
I had a lot
Finishing
of fun.
notes.
Yeah. I thank you for having me. I had a great time as well. It was really fun to talk to you and engage in whatever topics. It flowed really well. And I hope, it...
Where can people follow you and talk to you and get connected with you?
I am on social media. They can find me on social media.
Handle क्या आपका social media?
It's at Yoga with Fizza.
Okay, at Yoga with Fizza. I hope you guys got to learn a lot. मुझे जिस तरह मैंने बताया कि इस conversation करने में बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आया. This was one of my favorite topics. I'm exploring meditation more and I would encourage everyone to look into it as well. Thank you so much for listening.